Hi students, I'm sorry I had a power outage today until around 2 o'clock. Anytime something like that happens, you'll be getting extra points on an assignment. I'll give you extra points on your Psalm 137 assignment. You still need to do the quiz. You have 15 minutes to do the quiz. Please email me if you have any questions or if there's any problems with the quiz. As you can see here on Module 10, there's an assignment that you can't see. I'm going to be adding that assignment next week, and we'll just extend the By the Waters of Babylon because that story was so confusing and it's so great once you get it. So we're going to annotate Psalm 137. If the video stops, I'll just continue on another video, so stay tuned for that. Psalm 137, I'm going to click on it. And if you notice here, the directions say that you're going to annotate the psalm using Kami, just like we have in class. And then you're going to use the AP language handout, which is this right here. Mr. Bodow made this. You use this also in 12th grade. It's for annotating poetry, and you're going to use that as a guide. And then we're going to color code our annotations. So first you're going to download the psalm, and then you're going to download the document for annotating. This is just a guide for you. Both of these, by the way, are in your advanced handout. So if you'd like to have it right in front of you, you can do that as well. I'm going to copy this, and you might want to do so as well. All you do to copy is you highlight it, and then you push Control-C for copying. And then I'm going to open Kami. I downloaded the psalm from on the computer, so I'm going to open it from my computer, and it's right here. And then I'm going to actually start a text box, and I'm going to Control-V, and then all of those things that you have to annotate are right here. So interpreting is in red, paraphrasing is in blue, attitude or tone is in green, tone shift, which is in yellow, and then title is black, and theme is always purple. These are basically the same colors that you will use in other classes. Okay, I just want to move this around a little bit if it'll let me. Yeah. So if I look on the document, that is the guide. This is the AP poetry analysis method. It tells you what you can do for interpreting, so things that you can be looking at. Diction, that's word choice, symbolism, irony, all those types of things. Any kind of new ideas. Paraphrasing, you put that in your own words. Attitude is the tone of the speaker, okay, and the poet. Remember, they're not the same person. What's the speaker's attitude? What's the attitude of the characters other than the speaker? You also have in your handouts that you got a hard copy of a whole bunch of information on tone, and you have those things with the little emojis, and it'll help you come up with some tone words. You have shifts, which is the tone shift. So where does it actually change? It gives you some hints on where you can find the change. The title, why did they choose that title? What does it suggest? And then always the theme will always be talked about. So when I am going to do this, I'm going to actually start text. I'm going to go right here. And Psalm 137, if you're unfamiliar with the Bible, is, sorry, I want to make this box. This is just a note to me. Psalms are from the Bible, and they mean songs. Okay, I will tell you right now, we're going to go over it next week, that Psalm 137 is an allusion in By the Waters of Babylon. That is why we are going over it. First stanza, I'm just going to give you a couple examples, and then hopefully I'll have enough time, and then you're going to be done. So the first stanza of the song or psalm is, by the rivers of Babylon we sat and wept when we remembered Zion. So I don't really see a lot of interpreting that I need to do, but I can paraphrase. So I'm going to start a new text box right here. I need it to be in blue. Actually, I have a thing right here that's telling me that I'm approaching the recording limit. So I'm going to stop here, and then I'm going to give you guys another video. So this will be in two parts.